Hey everybody, good afternoon. Welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So another piece to the puzzle just arrived. Here is our brand new gas tank. Just opened it. The only place, these gas tanks, by the way, are Hearse specific because the filler neck is on the side instead of in the back of the tank. So I already have the new sending unit, which will go there. A huge pet peeve of mine with driving old cars, I have to have a working and accurate gas gauge. So I've had the sending unit here for a while. My intention was to drop the old tank out and just install the sending unit. But as you guys can refer back to one of my older videos, when my boyfriend dropped the tank, there was a bunch of holes in it in the top part. So wasn't aware of that, but obviously not usable when there's holes in it. The only thing I wish, obviously, is that it was made in the USA, but unfortunately it says made in Taiwan, as you guys can see there. Which, you know, again, that's kind of just something with everything these days. It's made, you know, not in our country, unfortunately. But, I mean, it looks pretty nice. I'm happy with it. It arrived undamaged, which I'm shocked. FedEx pitched it over the gate, so I was a little surprised that it wasn't dented, but it made it. And that's all that matters. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Have a blessed day. Here is our old tank out in the pile. You guys can see that massive hole right there, and there's some other pinholes in it in a few different places. So definitely not using it, and that is why we just got the new one.